A. Apple.
B. Bird.
C. Car.
D. Door.
E. Ear.
F. Feather.
G. Grapes.
H. House.
I. Insect.
J. Jeans.
K. Kite.
L. Lemon.
M. Motorcycle.
N. Nose.
O. Octopus.
P. Pencil.
Q. Quill.
R. Rug.
S. Stereo.
T. Tree.
U. Umbrella.
V. Violin.
W. Window.
X. Xylophone.
Y. Yo-yo.
Z. Zipper.
Hi,
Hi.
Hi,
it's a pleasure to meet you.
nang to kimu lung dami.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Have a safe trip.
Sidam lu damin na tungum.
Have a safe trip.
Where are you from?
Nang koy pan na yam.
Thank you very much.
Rapi takin lung dami.
What is this called?
Hi bang kichi yam.
What is this called in English?
Hi mau pawin bang kichi yam.
You're welcome.
Lung dam take.
You're welcome.
Lung dam take.
Where are you staying?
Nang koy tenga na yam.
Where are you staying?
Nang koy tenga na yam.
See you later.
Kimuking ni.
See you later.
Kimuking ni.
I'd like to introduce you to my friend.
Kalompa nang tong make set mami.
I'd like to introduce you to John.
John to ong make set mami.
See you tomorrow.
Sinchang kimuking ni.
See you tomorrow.
Sinchang kimuking ni.
Please speak slower.
Happy na to dampaw zoin.
Please speak slower.
Happy na to isang dampaw zoin.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Would you repeat that, please?
Happy na to pen again kik theya.
Would you repeat that, please?
Happy na to again kik theya.
Nice to see you again.
Oh, wiki mu kik the lung dami.
Nice to see you again.
Mu kik the lung dami.
Welcome to our home.
Ko in suha nang te komwaki.
Welcome to our home.
Kain panuna kongwa kongdo hi.
Would you like to join me?
Kito na pai no yam, kom no yam.
I'm here on vacation.
Kay tulay tak vacation
I
ni.
am here on vacation.
Kay tulay tak kunong to omi.
She is a friend of mine.
Amanuin kalom hi.
Sarah is a friend of mine.
Sara ina kalom hi.
I am married with 2 children.
I am married with 2 children.
Kay pasang lay sahing napang ito.